Welcome back. Today we'll be looking at how to manage packed items in restaurant billing software. You can see there will be like some items like Pepsi, Dark Fantasy, or biscuits, or chocolates, or Coca-Cola, or like a water bottle. Also will be packed items, so it will be like want to keep the stock and all. For that we can like actually look into a option called manage inventory. So what is this manage inventory look? So it is actually like to manage every data of your restaurant, like what type of raw items kya hai. Oh, every item data will be out there. So you can see like pair of items, like if you're buying some items for the kitchen, like you are buying items, we can all track all that. So there will be packed items and raw items, and if you go to all items, you can see that or everything is mixed. You can see this is out of stock actually, so we cannot cook. I'll show you one for example. You can see here this egg fry is not possible. Image, don't look at the image, it is a fake image. So let's just click on this and see. You can see it will say this insufficient ingredients. So okay, what all ingredients are required? Let's say egg is 0. So these are the ingredients that is required for to prepare this egg fry. So it is all not remaining. So how do we set it? So for that we will have to go to inventory. You can see raw items. You can see these are the raw items that is required. If we set here, you can see this is all active or threshold will show. For adding the item, you have to make a purchase actually. So I'll search a vendor. You can see my name as a vendor, and can purchase actually. This is no item. Can actually purchase it from here. If you go to here and say egg is not available. I think that is because it is packed. So we are buying raw materials actually. You can see egg is here. 100 rupees you added. This purchase price is added as 15 rupees. And add to. We set an expiry date also. Let's say it will first roll it. You can see an purchase has been made. And now we what else we want? Onion is not there. Search here. Because out of kg we'll add 10 kg for that. ₹50 will set. Again, what else? Green chili was required. So 1 kilo will 1 inches in grams actually. We'll buy this 100,000 grams. I'll do 1 kilo. 100 rupees. Okay. What else is required? Coconut oil. It is there actually. I think it will work. We'll check after the purchase if anything else is required. I think bed salt is also required. 1 kg is enough of salt. 20 rupees. Okay. I can see everything is done, so it will make this is surprising. I think I set this too much. I think green city has issue. I think it was in kgs. I think that's why it was but is it showing here as grams? Where is it? I'll check that. I have to change the green chilies this grams to kg and it will work fix. You see its purchase is made. So you'll be thinking that it will be because of gram that kg and gram issue. We'll fix that now itself. There is a green chili. You have to change details here. You have to change it to kilograms. So how many is there now? 10 kilograms is there actually here, which is not that much, only 1 or 2 kgs required. Let it be for now. You can see this egg fry size, the Coca-Cola image. Actually change that from here. If you go to main manager, I'll just remove. I don't have image as of now. I'll just remove the image. I think that is way better. Edit it and remove the image. So you can see now egg fry, so you can just cook it, and as it finishes, requirement is finished, so it will, if items is, it's saying low ingredients, we have to check what is the low ingredient. That is main menu. Will go again. I think there's a button called recipe. So tablespoon coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, 10 grams only is required. I think this green chili is the issue. I think we'll check that, but it's have issues like 1 gram is equal to 1. No, it's not the issue, that is something else. So that is why it's showing. So some items is missing, that's why inventory is not working properly. This is healthy, egg is healthy, onion is healthy. I'll add one option so that low stock will understand. We already have. Yes, salt is on low stock. Actually, I think we buy low salt, right? But it is not showing. It's only 1 gram, 1 kilo only we buy. So it's the issue. 5 kg is the threshold here set. We will set as 100 gram. That's why you need. That's why if you put it in, we only purchase 1 kilo of salt. That's why only this issue. We'll do one thing. We'll buy 10 more kilos of salt, so that issue will remove. Quantity on the 20 kilo will buy. That's it, and you can see now that items has gone. This is because I was so confused because I was not knowing how to, like, which all items are required. But in a kitchen, in a restaurant, they will be purchasing in whole and setting up the items, so this will not affect any restaurants at all. So you can see that is how we did the thing. We will now see one more time how the recipe was setting. So we will set a recipe for some. I'm not good with recipes, that's why. Egg fry recipe. You can see the recipe screen, sir. So you want to add an item, you can just take it from here and add it. So every raw items will show here. Inventory item will show here. Only raw items will show, and quantity will show here. So how much quantity you want to add for one item like egg fry. Let's say 3 tablespoons. So you just click it here. Let's say 1, and it is in kilograms actually. So we'll just into grams. So 100 grams for chicken. So if you add it, you can see that chicken is now required as a recipe item. So the So some kitchens will not be required, like they want to override. So if you want to override it, you click here. Now even if items is not available also, it will automatically will work. That is override button is use. Let's see what else is there in the inventory. So you can see this purchase history. So later if you somebody buys a item and you want to give them money later, so you can see what all details are here. You can print the invoice actually from here. It will get the printer. If you click on details, you can see the details of the project which we have made. You can see all the batch numbers also here, which batch need to be changed. So you can see all the purchase data, which date. You can even return this item, so you can get a proper invoice setting size. So you can see the customize that invoice as your requirement. So based on that, your build template will show. I'll show you the template actually. Click on this, all it will work. Build templates actually is not available here. I think I have to remove that. Actually I'll fix that, and that's actually a bug, but I had it somewhere. I don't remember where I put it. This is a batch management actually. Before that we'll finish this, then we'll go to batch. I think it is somewhere in the option is there. Templates. I will have to check in the invoice settings or somewhere. It was somewhere. I'll check it and I'll update in the next video. Okay, so you know how to make the purchases and all. This return template I'll show you in purchase template. I'll show you in the next video. It's actually not showing up actually in my video. So vendors, you can add new vendors here. We can just add new vendors, add their emails, multiple phone numbers we can add. It's all possible in this video. Software, and based on that, if you add when we click on purchase, you can add here like say VWig, so it shows up in the search, or you can just add the type it from here also. You can add it as a new vendor here, so it will be a new vendor. If you just add some item, it will automatically get saved in the vendors list. That's it. Now let's go to batch management. So batch management is like there will be items purchasing. You might have purchased chicken one time, and you have much stuff purchased another. Take another item and show you. I think here it will be the batches. You can see history batches is not showing actually. I don't know why that is. It is also an issue. Only these items are showing. So if two batches are there, you can see this is auto select. Before that, it is first one which you added will get added to the items as active. So if you put this set as active, means whenever you purchase from this stock, it will get reduced, which means you don't have to manually change the batch or check which batch you have purchased setting. If you click to auto, means automatically first which batch you have added, from that it will get restored, means removed. Like reduced from the batch. So that is the batch management. So that is it. This thing I have seen the print labels, but don't know where the label is. I'll check with that, and you can edit purchase actually from here. So that is it for inventory management in restaurant software. And I hope you have understood everything regarding managing inventory. So thank you for the video, and thank you for watching.